video. My room is interesting. It has quirks. It has character, but it's not really organized and it's not really put together. So, the goal for this video is to do something about it, even though I'm moving out in like a couple months, but better late than never, am I right? And yeah, we're gonna try and get this room's stuff together. And the biggest problem with my room is that I never do my laundry, so I just get like a pile of laundry in the corner of my room. Also, I have no laundry hamper. Yeah, so that needs to be fixed. I'm gonna start with that because I'm running out of clothes. So this is what this part of my carpet feels like. Wow. Yeah, so I need to take some of the winter clothes from out of my dresser and off my rack and put them into my closet, which is very messy and I can't open the door to right now. So I'm going to make it so I can go open the door, move some stuff. So this is the progress I made. I mean, it's not perfect, really not perfect, but it's way better than it was before. Like, this was up to the ceiling with crap. This desk is messy. It's been messy for as long as I can remember. Today, that changes. Isn't that just excellent? Woohoo! Yeah, and I have cactus in my hand and it hurts. Can you see it? Can you see it? There. So good, so fun. Wow, this is what it's like to have a desk that isn't covered in crap. It's so good. I love it so much. Yeah. I'm gonna put some stuff up on the wall soon once I get some sticky tack. But right now, oh my god, I still have cactus splinters in my hand. Right now I'm going to fix up my clothing rack. And I'm gonna make it, oh, sorry, I probably should have paused Bob's Burgers, but I'm gonna make it like more one color, more like decorative with my clothing choices that I display, so. I couldn't get my camera high enough to see it, but I'm gonna take these pictures and stuff and random stuff on my wall and move them here. Go. So, see ya tomorrow. Yeah. This poster is going over there. Does that look good? And it's gonna cover those weird things I put on the wall. Alright, so now I'm gonna paint my dresser. This dresser has been through a lot. Many failed DIY attempts, especially that pink area that I tried to paint with spray paint indoors. I don't even know. I just decided to take spray paint to it one day. Anyway, I'm gonna paint something so majestic, so beautiful. So this is the final look of my newly painted dresser. I don't really like it that much. I just don't really think it goes with my room. I've got all my clothes in piles. I'm gonna try and do the Marie Kondo folding where you put it upright and it looks all good. So that is my next quest. These little they're actually measuring cups. My mom got them for me from Anthropology a long time ago, and I was like, those would be cute little planters, and then one day I'll use them as actual measuring cups when I have my life together. But I'm gonna put the little cactuses in here, and then I also have a hanging planter. And I'm gonna put the bigger one in there and hang it over my bed. It looks like a cat Bulbasaur. Okay, we got this guy, but it doesn't quite fit, so he looks like he has a little pom-pom on his head. I love him so much. But really, I think that's pretty cute. That's some cute stuff I just did there. That's a cute little decoration. Cactuses? caddises, kitty cactuses, kitty caddises. I'm gonna trademark it, I'm gonna sell it to the public, and I'm gonna become a billionaire. Ain't that right, boys? Yeah! I'm about to leave for work, but I just wanted to say thanks for watching. This was a really fun video to film because it forced me to be productive. So I guess not really fun, but I'm just glad I filmed it. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff done. I repainted my dresser, even though I didn't really like how it turned out. I got my laundry situation under control. I just organized my clothing rack, organized my desk, did this big gallery wall collage thing, I guess you could call it. Put up all these birdies, put up like hanging lights, added a lot of plants. Anything else I did? I also added these pictures. I didn't film it, but I did it. Got organized my clothes a little better. So yeah, got a lot of stuff done. I'm pretty proud of what I did. Even though I'm moving away in like a month. If you're trying to get organized, I hope this served as an inspiration, I guess, maybe for you, because I am not an organized person at all. And I don't like cleaning either. So like, I had been wanting to do this for like 2 years, and I just couldn't bring myself to do it just because I hate organizing stuff so much. But I finally did it, and you know, it took me a while. Didn't get it all done in one day, but I got it done, and I'm proud of myself, even if it took me a couple of years. Have a great day or night, and come again soon.